Hello, and welcome to the video overview for CS526 Project 2. So using left and right on the D-pad, I can scale the orbital line distances. Up and down on the D-pad scales the planets in our 3D representation of our solar system here. In the main menu here, I can increase or decrease the time scale. I can also increase and decrease the scale of the star, as well as the thickness of the orbital lines. Next on the menu, I can once again increase or decrease the scaling of the orbital distances. Next, I can show the orbit lines in a flat representation, so a bit of a more traditional, simpler version, which makes it easier to see the orbits relative to the habitable zone, which I can also toggle on and off. Next, if I zoom all the way out, I'm brought to the stellar view, which is a representation of the stars relative to our sun with the correct relative distance, sizes, and colors. Next, if we slide on over to the small multiples view, we can see our solar system there in the front. In the corner, it's also highlighted orange, indicating that's the current system. If I take the wand cursor and hold it over any of the small multiples, I can scale the distances using left and right on the D-pad, as well as the planet sizes using up and down. Clicking L1 will switch the interaction mode, indicated by the color change icon in the upper right corner of the window, and now left and right on the D-pad will scroll through the star system, while up and down will change the scaling of the stars. Here we have a close-up of the small multiples view. I can click and drag any of the small multiple windows around. You also notice the distance scales at the bottom will disappear before any of the numbers overlap. So next I can select one of the filters we have here, so I can show only star systems that have at least one planet in its narrow habitable zone. I can also select the ones that have planets also in the expanded habitable zone region, as well as filtering by main star type. So for example here, only showing stars of type F. And this concludes the video overview for CS526 Project 2.